Burrata, one of the finest cheeses of all time. It's mozzarella that's been stretched and filled with stracciatella and cream. I love it. And usually you would see burrata with some tomatoes and basil, some olive oil in a savoury context. But I want to show you it is just as delicious served sweet, maybe for a breakfast just like this. So I'll take this gorgeous little ball out of the water. You can see it almost looks like a money bag, and inside that is the stracciatella and cream. Now I do want to burst this and chop it all up, and this is the best part, cutting down there and just exposing all that delicious inside. So cut it up quite roughly, even the knot at the top, it's of course all edible. And I want to add some flavours to this, but very, very simple flavour because it's all about that cheese. Honey and burrata, just amazing. So going to add half of this honey, the rest can go on the top, along with some thyme, an unusual flavour, but just a few sprigs of this really goes nicely. We'll stir that through. We're going to dollop this on as if it was ricotta on toast in the morning. Great. To top this off, some blueberries. I want to cut them in half, just a few of them. I love that pop of sweetness, again, because it goes so nicely with our burrata. We'll sprinkle them over the top. And for some extra crunch, why not? Some walnuts, roughly chopped. Sprinkle that over. And I've got some extra honey here, so we're going to drizzle that just to finish that off. Oh, look at that. We all know ricotta goes so nicely on toast, but why not change it up and try burrata? It works a treat, particularly served just like this.